Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're alone in the universe? This question has intrigued us for centuries, sparking our curiosity and driving our exploration of the cosmos. One of the boldest steps in this quest for answers took place on April 8, 1960. A young astronomer named Frank Drake, just shy of his 30th birthday, decided to put the newly developed technology of radio telescopes to a unique use. He decided to listen, not just see. He turned the 85-foot Tatel radio telescope of the National Radio Astronomy Observatory in Green Bank, West Virginia skyward, not to observe, but to listen for signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. This was a brave act fueled by youth, hope, and courage. It stirred controversy but also ignited a spark that continues to burn bright today. This audacious act marked the beginning of a new era, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. The radio waves that we've been using to communicate for over a century, could they be the key to making contact? In the early 20th century, the idea of using radio waves for interstellar communication captured the imagination of many. The radio pioneer Guglielmo Marconi was among the first to entertain this audacious thought. His hopes were shared with the world when the New York Times ran a front-page headline on January 20, 1919, "Radio to Stars, Marconi's Hope." Marconi believed in the eternal properties of radio waves, expressing his hope for a future where we could communicate with intelligences on other stars. He even claimed to have received unexplained signals that could have originated from the stars, a claim that stirred both excitement and caution. Fast forward to 1959, physicists Giuseppe Cacconi and Philip Morrison published a famous paper in the journal Nature. They argued that radio waves were indeed the ideal wavelength for intelligent interstellar communications. Their work triggered a new wave of interest in the possibility of communicating with extraterrestrial life. They suggested that if there were civilizations out there, they might be using radio waves just like us to communicate. This idea was so powerful that it led to the birth of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. SETI took Marconi's hope, Cacconi and Morrison's theory, and began a systematic search for signals from other civilizations. This was not just about looking for life elsewhere, but about finding intelligent life that was capable of advanced communication just like us. The birth of SETI was a pivotal moment in our quest to understand our place in the universe. It was the first time we had actively started to search for other civilizations, using the very technology that had revolutionized our own world. The radio waves that had transformed human communication on Earth were now being used to reach out into the cosmos, in the hopes of finding another civilization that was doing the same. This marked the first major development in the journey of SETI. Can you imagine the impact of communicating with an intelligence millions or billions of years older than us? It's a thrilling yet daunting prospect. Imagine the wealth of knowledge they could share, the histories we could learn, the technologies we could discover. But also consider the profound challenges of such a dialogue. How would we comprehend their experiences, their wisdom, their concepts of reality? It's a puzzle that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, grapples with every day. SETI's quest is not just about listening to the cosmos, it's also about understanding. And to do that, it employs a broad range of methods. The mainstay, of course, is radio wave detection, the method pioneered by Frank Drake and championed by physicists Giuseppe Cacconi and Philip Morrison. But SETI's toolkit has expanded over the years. Optical SETI, for example, searches for signals in the form of pulsed or continuous laser emissions from other galaxies. It's a bit like looking for a flashlight beam in the vast darkness of space. Even though it's a challenging method, it holds promise because lasers can transmit vast amounts of information across cosmic distances. The journey of SETI has been anything but a straight line. It's been a road marked by audacious hope, hardened skepticism, and the relentless pursuit of answers. But it's this journey that keeps us looking up, keeps us listening. Because in the end, the quest is about more than finding extraterrestrial life. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos. SETI's journey has been filled with hope, skepticism, and a relentless pursuit for answers. Despite the ridicule and controversy, SETI continues its quest today. Armed with ever-evolving technology and a relentless spirit, SETI's pursuit for extraterrestrial intelligence remains unabated. Today, SETI's radio and optical telescopes probe deeper into the cosmos, listening and watching for signs of intelligent life. As we push the boundaries of our understanding, SETI stands at the frontier, a beacon of humanity's curiosity and hope. As we gaze at the cosmos, the question remains, are we alone in the universe?